There's probably like 40 years of dirt in this thing, and I can't seem to get all of it because every time I knock it loose, there's more. Every time I move this thing, dirt keeps falling out from the reinforcement bar on the top railing. So every time I do that, I gotta keep vacuuming it because I'm trying to keep the surface clean. So now, I finally have it where I want it, in the middle of my driveway for optimum ventilation. So, I vacuumed it out. I'm gonna wipe it down one more time with vinegar, and I think it's go time. For the inside of the boat, I will use a satin Rust-Oleum finish, nothing crazy. For the clear coat, I'm going to use this stuff. This 2K Max Clear is an activated potion that I'll spray over once I'm done spraying this. I'll spray this when that is a little tacky. I'll spray this right over it. That way I have, you know, the best finish I can have. And this stuff is for the outside, which, you know, another base coat followed by another can of this. Once I start, there ain't no going back. I think I gotta put on my crap pants for this. So apparently you're supposed to take this red tab off the top of the cap and kind of stick it in the bottom of this tab here. Oh yeah, that's it. And I gotta shake it for 2 minutes. I didn't go crazy with it. I just I was a little heavier towards the floor than the rest of it, and you know, the seat tops too, because they see the most traffic. This didn't really give it the brilliant gloss shine I thought it would, but that's okay. I didn't really want that. Hopefully it's just a seal coat that kind of helps the paint stick a while, you know. I have one more can for the outside, but I gotta paint the outside first.